I got this package from Harbor Freight today. It costed $55.10. I opened it with this budget KERSHAW, $12 at Walmart. Very sharp edge. I heard that the metal doesn't last, but it's almost a mirror finish because I stropped it on leather before I used it. And I got this flex head ratchet set. Look how small this package is. It's made out of some molded rubber. Very, very, very nice. I opened it with one hand. Look at that. I'm pretty sure y'all seen a lot of reviews and videos on that. So I went off and got it. So here's the KERSHAW hot wire budget with a beautiful EDC package